So the first step in our FIX Launchpad program is discovery. In order to best design your API, we need to map out and clearly understand your intended functionality, terminology, and workflows. Now, if you already have some other user interface or other API, perhaps REST or something like that, then great, we can use that to get up to speed really quickly. If not, then it typically means workshops with your development and business teams to understand the functionality in detail. Now, our consultants have designed trading platforms for some of the world's largest firms and also the more niche firms, so don't worry, we speak your language. Now, this phase is one in which we find companies making the same mistake time and time again, so watch out for it. They try to take a shortcut that ultimately gets them into hot water. So what's the trap to avoid? Well, the objective here is to map your functionality into suitable FIX messages, fields, and values. FIX is an open protocol, and so the standards, the master dictionary, if you like, is on the internet. It's really tempting to treat it as a kind of a la carte menu. I simply search for a field name that looks like something that I want and pick it up. It's a mapping exercise, we often hear. Unfortunately, it's not quite that simple, as FIX has got a lot of quirks and history to it. That means that you may well end up with a spec that kind of smells bad, and which customers will find it quite difficult to develop to. But you should also see this discovery phase as a valuable learning exercise for your teams as well, preparing them to support FIX in production. Primary deliverable from this phase is a professional API specification document or rules of engagement. This is the customer-facing document that tells customers how to connect to you. With this in place, we have our architectural drawings, our blueprint if you like, and we're ready to build the API itself, which we'll discuss in the next episode.